Let's see one of the gate question which was asked on basic gates. Consider the following circuit. Which one of following is true? Right. So if you want to answer this question, make sure to substitute the given inputs. So here we are going to get x. Here we are going to get y bar as the here is a bubble. So finally this is a kind of AND gate. So we are going to get x into y bar whole bar. So coming to here, the second AND gate, that is y and z. So you are going to get finally yz. Now these two outputs are passed to the input of NAND gate. So you are going to get here as x into y bar whole complement into yz whole complement. Right? If you are going to apply distributive law, you are going to get x plus, sorry, it should be x bar plus y into yz to yz, right? So make sure to substitute perfectly x bar yz plus yz whole complement. If you are going to make it again solve using De Morgan's law, you will get x plus y bar plus z bar into y bar plus z bar, right? Again make sure further substitution, that is x y bar, I am trying to multiply x into y bar plus x into z bar. Y bar into y bar is y bar plus y bar into z bar plus z bar into y bar plus z bar into z bar is z bar, right? So make sure to simplify this expression. If I am trying to simplify the expression, if I are going to take out the common term as y bar, common term as y bar, so you have three terms, x y bar, y bar, y bar z bar, z bar y bar. You are going to get x plus 1 plus z bar plus again z bar plus x z bar plus z bar. So the remaining two terms I have written as usual. Now you can understood that the according to Boolean theorem, 1 plus any value is 1. So y bar into 1 plus x into z bar plus z bar. So you are going to get y bar plus x z bar plus z bar, right? Now if you try to solve this expression once again, y bar plus, if you take the z bar common, you are going to get x, that is 1 plus x, right? So if you try to simplify once again, 1 plus any value is 1. So y bar plus z bar. Can you able to solve this expression? No, we can't. So this is the final redundant expression, right? Now, right, if you are able to see this expression, so is it the independent of x or not? Yes. So I can say that option A is the correct answer. So f, the function f is independent of x. Okay, I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.